In today's lesson, I will explain the expression in case. So pay attention, please. First of all, we use in case to express that we are doing something in preparation for something which might happen. Take an umbrella in case it rains. Secondly, we use in case of to say what we should do if or when something happens. In case of fire, leave the building as quickly as possible. Now let's explain the difference between if and in case. If introduces a condition. For example, I will take an umbrella if it rains. Let's see an example for in case. I will take an umbrella in case it rains. That's all, thank you.